Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android head unit for Alfa Romeo 159. Okay, you can check this front panel. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, you can check it. Come with special harness. This connects on back of head unit, and this canvas box for Alfa Romeo canvas box. Okay, this connector. It's a plug and play. Okay. It will come with GPS antenna and Wi-Fi antenna and external microphone. This USB and this audio and the wire cable. It comes with this paper user menu. Let me check the connection. Okay, you can check head unit start. There are two SD card slots. These two SD card slots, and this home back button, this power and navy button. Okay, you can check. You can choose logo. You can choose time. Alfa Romeo. It's SIM editor. Okay, all apps are here. You can check this built-in Bluetooth. It's easy connection for Link. It supports Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, and phone Wi-Fi. And it's built in Play Store, Google Play Store, and Google Maps. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. Settings, you can check Wi-Fi. It supports Wi-Fi already connected. You can check total 64 GB and system PX5. Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Car settings, you can check. It can change button color with blue or yellow. Any color you can adjust this panel. Can we choose the red? Steering wheel controls. It supports steering wheel controls decoder by canvas box. Extra setting. This shut down when your AC off. It's real view camera settings. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. This pin number. Open the Bluetooth. Click search. Okay, you will get the pair. Your phone will get the command, please put 40. Okay, paired device you can check. Show Bluetooth icon, you can make phone call. It work Bluetooth phone call. Okay, hang up. And streaming music A2DP from your phone. Firstly, please disconnect and connect again. Show Bluetooth icon. Close Bluetooth. Okay, let me try again. Okay, you can control Bluetooth. Okay, this is streaming music from your phone. And the header unit comes with 4 USB ports on back. USB ports. Connect the USB driver. It will play music automatically. Okay, you can check this knob. We test next. You can check. And this volume button. Okay, you can check this front. Oh, the disconnect harness. You can check the back. Okay, you can check this wiring diagram. And this Wi-Fi antenna, this GPS antenna, there for audio cable 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 USB ports. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 USB. This radio antenna, this connector, this fuse side. Okay, that's all. Thank you.